Here's where you can find NFC settings and turn it on for your Tecno Spark phone, Camon, or the Infinix Hot phone with Android hios. The first place you can always check is within the quick access. Pull it down, and then you can also pull down here to see more of those icons and then scroll down. So NFC will most likely be down to the bottom area if you haven't used it before. And you can single tap it or long press it to get into the main settings. All right. And again, not all Tecno phones will have this. It depends on your model. But if you want to see if you have it, you can check there. The next thing you can do is, if you don't see the quick access icon, use it one more time like this and tap on the settings here. Then you can type in the search here, NFC. Let's go ahead and type that in, and it's going to show you NFC settings here, and you can go into it. The other one is, maybe for some reason it's not showing up, but you still want to check. Go here to more connections right there. And from here, you can check right there, NFC, and see if it's there. And if it's there, you can just simply turn it on and you're good to go. Okay, and you have this tap to pay option here, and of course you can use your default payment, set it up, and of course be careful with that because these things are, well, not as secure as one would think it is, but like and said.